how to change Facebook photo privacy settings. So if you want to change your Facebook photo privacy settings, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and after opening your Facebook, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and then you can go for your profile, and you can scroll down, and here you will have your post, right? So you can simply go for any one of your post. So for example, I'll be choosing this one, and if you want to edit the privacy of this post, then you can simply go for the three dots which is on the upper right side of that post, and here go for edit privacy. You can choose to public or your friends or friends accept or only me. So if you want to hide that from everyone, then you can simply tap on only me. And if you want to show that to everyone, then you can go for public. Or if you want to show your post to your only friends, then you can go for friends. So that's it. That's how you edit your privacy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.